Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a hamper unboxing from SNS. They very kindly sent me over a hamper full of PR goodies from their brand. They very kindly sent me over this massive hamper. Oh my word. Shall we dive straight into this? So first off, from Cohorted, these are a beauty subscription box. And I've got a couple of their boxes here, but the first one contains, what do we have in here? So this is their January box, and it comes with a little booklet that tells you all about the products that are in the box, which is very, very handy. So some products in here are little mini sizes, and I think some products are full size. We've got a little mini Too Faced Primed and Poreless Skin Soothing Face Primer. I love Too Faced, but I've never ever tried this before, so I'm excited to give this a go. I am a fan of their Hangover Primer. We've got the Avant Shea Butter Hyaluronic Vitamin B Seawater Sweet Almond Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Wowee, okay. Avant are supposed to be an amazing brand. And then we've got a couple of products from Argentum, and I've got their Hydrating Day and Night Cream for face, eyes and neck. That packaging is so nice. And then it contains a little mini soap from Argentum as well. The Seas of Illumination Highlighting Liquid from Rouge Bunny. Ooh. That looks exciting. Very excited to give this a go. I can't actually find any information on how much this box is, but in the booklet it does say what the prices of the products are. I'll link everything down below obviously, so if you want to check out how much the box is, you can go and do so. I've also got the Perican MD Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment, and it contains this hand cream from Jogobe. Is that how you pronounce this brand? I always have dry hands, so a hand cream is a must for me. I like that box. It's a nice little assortment of skincare, body care products. I also have another box from Cohorted, and this one is their exclusive beauty box curation, and it says the value of the box is £146. And then again it tells you about all the products that are in here. Ooh, this one's makeup. This is exciting. Okay, so these are all from a brand called Dowki? I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm very excited to try this brand because I've never even heard of them before, and I love trying out new brands. Look at that packaging. That is so nice. So I think this is like a freedom system kind of thing where you can add in your own pans, which is why these are all kind of covered. It looks like it's just got plastic over the top, but it's the packaging of the product, which is actually great, because it means that they've just got that extra bit of protection. But I'm very excited to try these. And then I've got their Max Lash Volumizing Mascara, which, wow, is massive. I've got a brow filler pencil in here. Oh, it's got a spoolie on the end. We like that, we like that. And that is possibly a bit light for me, but that looks like my mum's colour, so I might just give that to her. It's just like a nice kind of light brown shade. We've got a felt tip liner. Ooh, and also a matte lipstick. Oh, I'm excited to see what this is like. I do like a lipstick. I, to this day, still get so excited by lipsticks. Look at that. Very, very excited to try this out. That's such a nice colour. I've got this box from Blendz. I love doing these videos just because I get to try out different brands that I've never heard of before. And this contains their Face and Body Coffee Shimmer Scrub. I've never tried a coffee shimmer scrub, although I do like a coffee scrub, so I'm excited to try this. Let me know, guys, if you're interested in hearing about how I get on with any of these products in particular, and I shall let you know. I've got their Illuminating Balm, which you can use on your skin to make it glowy. We like a bit of glow. Oh my gosh, that smells so nice. It smells like toffee. Oh, and then I've also got their shimmer oil. Oh my word, I'm so excited to use this in summertime. I love a shimmer oil just across the chest, a bit on the shoulders. When you've got a tan, I think it looks so nice. Next, I have a few products from Jersey Honey, which I'm really excited about. I've got a little bit about the brand here, and it says, it all started about 6 years ago in 2012 when there was a lot of publicity about the decline of Jersey bees, and I wanted to help. My first thought was to talk to the experts experts, namely the Jersey Beekeepers Association. They were very kind in supplying me with information about Jersey honey and how it is seen by national and international judges as one of the finest honeys you can buy. So the idea grew that maybe we could take some Jersey honey and infuse it into beauty products. Today we present Nature's Golden Gift bottle for you. Each bottle has been infused with 100% natural Jersey honey. By purchasing this product, you are helping to support Jersey bees and our environment. That makes me so happy. We've got to protect the bees, guys. I can smell these products through the packaging and they smell glorious. Like, oh my word. So I've got their natural shampoo for shiny hair. Does that not just look so satisfying? Oh, it literally just smells like honey. That smells so good. And I also have their luxury conditioner for naturally enriched hair. That looks really thick and creamy. I'm excited to try that. And then I also have their intensive hand cream and their luxury hand wash, which again I'm really excited to try out. Next I have some products from Snow. I have their teeth whitening system. We love a bit of teeth whitening over here, so this will be getting put to good use. Okay, so apparently this doesn't cause sensitivity. It gives you fast professional results at home in as little as 7 minutes. It's pain-free. That's always good. I do actually have sensitive teeth, so it is great when teeth whitening products are marketed towards sensitive teeth because it always helps me. And they ship to 180 countries as well, which is great. And in here we also have their maximum strength teeth whitening serum. So I guess you just paint that onto your teeth. And I've also got a cute little lip balm as well. This is just a beeswax lip balm. How adorable is that? Next I have a couple of products from W7. I've got their I Love Candy lip gloss in Coconuts, which is a gorgeous nude, and love that doe foot applicator. I like it when lip glosses have a doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh, that actually smells like coconuts as well. And then I've got their Princess Potion, which is a complexion booster and primer. It smells like sweets. Oh my word, okay. And then by Noughty, I've got their First Aid 97% natural conditioning and detangling spray. I might take that on holiday with me actually. This is vegan friendly and it contains no parabens, petrochemicals, sulfates and silicons. We like that. Next up I've got some products from PHB Ethical Beauty, and it says PHB has been the original ethical beauty brand since we established in 2012. Our family-run business creates award-winning, natural and organic beauty products using 100% vegan, cruelty-free and ethically conscious ingredients. That is brilliant. And also 20% of the profits are donated to charity, which is fabulous. So I have their brightening cleanser. This contains pomegranate and hyaluronic acid. We like a bit of hyaluronic acid, and this is for all skin types and it is age defying. And then I've got their brightening skin tonic, which contains vitamin C and kojic acid, and this is for all skin types as well. Ooh, and we've also got a facial oil here. You guys know I love a facial oil, and this is... it smells amazing. I can smell it through the packaging. It says it's hand blended with pomegranate, raspberry, rosehip, sea buckthorn, avocado, broccoli, turmeric, carrot seed, neroli, ylang ylang and vanilla oils. Wow, okay, that must be why this smells so good. It's got so many different things in. I'm really excited to try this. And then I've got a load of samples from them as well, which I'm really excited to try. I just want to say a massive thank you to all of the brands who've gifted me lovely products. I'm so excited to try them all, and thank you to SNS as well. And I really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, be sure to give it a cheeky little thumbs up to let me know, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!